Hey everybody, I'm going to start out with a really quick Edpuzzle introducing you to single replacement reactions. And what we do is we predict if they will happen. That's sort of the little chemistry thing we do. We look at equations and then we predict if the equation would actually happen or not. Let's try a few. Here's one we can try to predict. Lithium, if we have solid lithium, this little S means solid. Solid lithium is dropped into a solution of silver nitrate. When I say that's a solution, that means it's aqueous, it's dissolved in water. Now, if I drop lithium into silver nitrate and they react, will it react? Will it make lithium nitrite and silver? I'm sorry, I was saying nitrate. That's obviously nitrite. Lithium plus silver nitrite. Would that make lithium nitrite and silver? Here's how we see. On page 7 of your tables, there's a list of metals and how reactive they are, okay? Now, the ones near the top, they're the most reactive, and the ones near the bottom are the least reactive. If we look at this, we can see right up here that lithium is more reactive than silver. Silver's way down here. So yes, this reaction would happen. Lithium would indeed replace the silver and become lithium nitrite, and then the silver would be by itself. So yes, this one would happen, and since it would happen, we have to balance it. One lithium, one silver, one nitrite, done. One. Let's try another one. So what if we had some copper, some solid copper, and we dropped it into a solution of zinc hydroxide? Would that make copper hydroxide in solution and zinc? In other words, would the copper replace the zinc? Let's look on page 7. Page 7. Here is copper. Copper is right here. Copper. And then let's find zinc. Oh, zinc is up here. So as a matter of fact, zinc is more reactive than copper. So no, copper could not do that. It could not replace that zinc. So we don't have to balance this problem or do anything. We just write NR. NR stands for no reaction. That's pretty simple. I'm going to try one more. Sodium plus magnesium carbonate solution, aqueous. Would that make sodium carbonate and magnesium solid? In other words, would the sodium replace the magnesium? Let's look on page 7. Here is sodium. It's right up here. And then let's see if we can find magnesium on here. Magnesium. Can you find magnesium? Oh, it's right below it. So yes, sodium is more reactive than magnesium. Sodium is higher up the list. So yes, the sodium would replace the magnesium. So now we have to balance it. So yes, this will happen. And let's balance it. I've got one sodium here, but 2 right here. So I'm going to need a 2. And I've got one magnesium, one carbonate. We think of this carbonate as just one thing, right? One carbonate and one carbonate. So I think we're done. 2, 1, 1, 1. That is, ladies and gentlemen, the simplest introduction to single replacement reactions I can give you. Good luck, and there's going to be a short assignment.